Hey everyone, I'm Corey from Lightspeed, and today we're going to be looking at content templates within Lightspeed Ecom. To modify your content templates, we first need to go to the Design menu, and then into Content Templates. Templates are a way that you can modify the emails, invoices, shipment receipts, and offers that get sent to your customers through email. The first one we'll modify is the email template. This will be the one that we take a look at today. Now, one thing to point out, as you can probably see already, is that the templates are written in a combination of HTML and CSS, much like most websites. Now, in order to edit these, we do need to modify the actual code itself. We have given you a nice list of variables that you can pull up from within the account. So for instance, things like the shop name, shop city, shop country, VAT number if needed, who the owner is. And what these essentially do is pull from fields that exist within your Lightspeed Ecom account. And so for instance, if you want every email sent out to, for instance, provide your national identification number, you can easily do that by using this variable here. Just to show you a quick example of the customization we can do, let's go ahead and hit preview quickly, just to take a look at the base template that we're looking at. As you can see, it's pretty basic. Let's go ahead and close that out. So just to demonstrate how this works, let's go ahead in and let's change the background color. So we'll come in and we will edit the actual hex code of that color there. We'll just go ahead and paste it in. And from here, I'll go ahead and save that. At this point, I can preview the template. We can see that the background color has now changed. And already, that's the basics of content templates. For more information on other topics, check out our video library.